Today we are doing our hay, and you can see here the wide front tractor. This is a John Deere 730 diesel with a 2-cylinder. I don't remember if this one's a pony start or not. And he's using the John Deere hay baler. The reason for the wide front is he's able to drive, if he needs to, right over the rows of hay when he was using the hay rake. And you can see he's got the hay rake parked right over here for now. So he's got these nice bales. You can see our hay with all the ragweed in it. He planted oats with the hay for extra nutrition for our cows because this is their winter feed. Same as us. Does that say 847? Is that an 847? 347. Sorry. There's dust on it, so it's hard to read. So the teeth just scoop it right up. And everything just goes through the machine, it packs it, and bales it at the same time. So that's the hay baling, everybody. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, ask us questions, and we'll answer you the bestest we can, as always. Happy Labor Day weekend, everybody.